ideally, fact-checking should be the role of the media, within the media itself. Before I report, I should fact-check my story. Before it's published, the newspaper should fact-check it. Before it's telecast, the television should fact-check it. Unfortunately, that is not happening. A large part of the blame for this goes to social media, where information just goes out without any checking at all. But it also goes to many mainstream media houses as well, which just put on information, maybe knowing it is wrong, but just put it out in order to further their agenda. So in the current situation, the role of a fact-checker, the role of somebody who can call out fallacies and mistakes is hugely important.
Ma'am, what do you have to say about Zubair? Because he was one of the fact-checkers. As a journalist, how do you take this incident?
I think it's extremely unfortunate that he has been arrested, because the reason given, the public reason given for his arrest does seem very flimsy. A 2018 tweet, which was actually based on a film still, which was a kind of a joke. It didn't seem to require this sort of action. So of course it gives rise to many questions. What was the real reason behind it? Was it because he was calling out authority? He did point out mistakes on both sides. It was not just about the government. He also called out hate speeches, not just by Hindus, but also hate speeches by Muslims. He called out things which he thought were wrong. But many questions about the arrest. What was the real reason for it?